Greetings dear viewers. I'm incredibly excited to introduce my captivating Capstone project, SoccerBot Strike, an AI-powered PictoBlox challenge. Stay tuned to see the dynamic elements used to make this SoccerBot Strike more thrilling and unpredictable. In this game, the player has to control a soccer ball. A character named Luna, represented by a sprite, she serves as a way to personalize the game experience and then track the user's progress. So the player's goal is to kick a soccer ball into the circle inside the goalpost. But there's a twist, okay? The circle moves around randomly inside the goalpost, and also its size keeps changing. So the player has to kick this soccer ball when the circle is small, because that's when the player earns more points. When the circle is big, it's best to wait until it shrinks before taking a shot. As the player plays, Luna keeps track of the score and it updates every time when the player successfully kicks the soccer ball into the circle. The player's objective is to reach a score of 350 points, and when the player achieves this score, Luna will proudly announce that you have won the game, making it a personalized and exciting experience for the player. Enjoy the challenge and let Luna guide you to victory. Let's look into the coding. So the first sprite I have created is the goalkeeper sprite. Using the random function, I made this goalkeeper sprite move unpredictably within the goalpost itself. Additionally, I changed the costume of the goalkeeper sprite using sprite.nextCostume to make the game more visually interesting and engaging. Now let's go to the next sprite, that is circle sprite. The circle sprite's position within the goalpost is controlled using the sprite.goToXY function, which changes its location randomly. So this means you never know where the circle will be next, keeping you on your toes. But that's not all. Size matters in this game. I've also incorporated randomness to change the size of the circle sprite. Sometimes it's big and other times it's small, adding an element of surprise to every kick. Then for the Luna sprite, I have placed the position using goToXY. The next one is the soccer ball sprite. Here, Luna will connect with the player personally. So I have written the coding here. As soon as the player starts the game, Luna greets with a warm hello with the player's name, making the entire experience feel personalized just for the player. So Luna doesn't stop here, okay? She's here to guide you through the game, saying press the space bar and move the mouse for a goal. With her guidance, you'll be all set to jump into the activity, okay? Now, when the soccer ball touches the moving circle sprite, this is the circle sprite, I used isTouching function to detect the impact, okay? And that's where the magic happens. As soon as the player scores by touching the circle, Luna responds with a personalized audio note. So I have included an audio note also. You can see here, sprite.play until done goal. I have inserted a personalized audio. So this personalized audio note will cheer with an enthusiastic, it's a goal. This makes each goal a moment to cherish, okay? Also, I have introduced conditions to check the size of the circle sprite at the moment of impact. So if the circle is small, more points will be added, and if the circle is big, less points. This adds an exciting layer of strategy, challenging the player to time the kicks perfectly and maximize the score. That's all the coding. Now let's run the game. Finger crossed. Yes, it is taking some time. Let's wait patiently. Yeah, it is asking your good name please. So let me give a name, Joe. Okay, and I'm clicking. Welcome, Joe. Press spacebar and move the mouse for a goal. Let's start the game. So whenever is small.
It's a goal.
Yeah, it is telling it's a goal.
It's a goal.
Okay, right.
It's a goal. It's a goal.
I don't want
It's a goal.
to do this when the circle is big. I want
It's a
to
goal.
score more points. So
It's a goal. It's a goal.
okay. Oh, Joe, when you win, congratulations. Don't you feel it is excited? Thank you so much for joining with me and watching the game. I hope you had a great time playing and that this game added some fun and excitement to your day. Hopefully, yes. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye.